Okay, in this standard, which is mafs 5 MD11, it's all about conversions. And we're going to be focusing on the meter. We're going to address the standard numerous times. Now let's say we had 3 meters and we wanted to convert that to centimeters. We're going to take this 3 meters and we're going to convert it what's called a unit of 1. So I know 3 meters equals 3 times 1 meter. Notice what I did, I just decoded that, and I wanted that meter right here to be a unit of 1. Now, if you look at your conversion chart, you would see that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So I'm going to take this 1 meter and I'm going to replace that with 100 centimeters. Now I haven't changed the measurement, it's still the same size. I'm just replacing how we're measuring it. And I'm going to go ahead and fill in the rest of it. Now if you can see, I got 3 meters equals 3 times 100 centimeters. So now I can see 3 meters would be equal 3 times 100 would be 300 centimeters. So by reducing it to a unit of 1 and then replacing this unit of 1 with its equivalent measurement in centimeters, I'm able to work out the problem. Okay, let's take another one. Let's say 3 meters to millimeters. Well, same thing. I'm going to take my 3 meters and I'm going to break it down to a unit of 1, which is 1 meter. Now, I know that 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. So I'm going to replace that with 1,000 millimeters. Now I can see that 3 meters would equal 3,000 millimeters. Now so far we've been going from a larger measurement of unit to a smaller measurement of unit. Okay, so let's try something a little different this time. We've been going from larger to smaller units. Now let's go from a smaller to a larger unit. And it's going to stay pretty much the same. We're going to split it out with our unit of 1, which is 3 meters equals 3 times 1 meter. Now the thing about this is 1 meter, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So I'm wanting to change this to kilometers. So if there's 1,000 meters and 1 kilometer, that means 1 meter would be 1/1000th of a kilometer. Okay? So we're going to pick 1/1000th up here. So now we can see 3 meters equals 3 times 1/1000th would be 3/1000th kilometers. So 3 meters equals 3,000th kilometers. And I could also write that as a decimal, because 3 in the thousandths place, I would put it like that. 3 in the thousandths place, kilometers, 0.003. Let's try 4 centimeters to meters. Well, we know 4 centimeters equals 4 times 1 centimeter. And the same thing here, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. That means 1 centimeter would be 1/100th of a meter. So I'm going to replace 1/100th meters times 4 equals 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters would equal 4/100ths of a meter. And we could also write that as a decimal, because we would put the 4 in the hundredths place. And we have 4/100ths of a meter.